Okay, so my city horn, it all of a sudden started working. So the way I'm fixing it is I'm gonna put this toggle switch right here. I stopped at the Walmart. It's two wires only, ground and positive. And then you go back here to your thing right here. This is your positive, this is your ground. So this, I'm just gonna bypass basically this thing because it broke. It's that third time I replaced this damn thing already. This part, see, that's the ground, that's the fire right there, and it keeps breaking by itself. I don't even use the damn city horn. So, but you guys know the DOT by law requires that you have a city horn that works. So I'm freaking tired of purchasing it from that damn dealer because it is expensive and it's time consuming. Last time I had to replace the whole steering wheel, they messed up my whole steering wheel column. So right now I just got fed up on it. I stopped by the Walmart, got me a switch. The way you test it, this thing is bad is you take your positive wire and you just hit it with that to the ground, and it should beep. If it doesn't beep, then you have something else. But if it beeps and this shit doesn't work, then that's your problem. And it's really simple. It's really simple. So if this one doesn't beep when you touch that metal, the ground, look at your fuses, fusibles. If your fuse is good, then you need to go check the horn and that inside your, mine is in the passenger side on that inside my engine bay on the top on by the air filter. So you take the horn out and you do the same thing. You can just hook it up to a battery, a positive to a negative, and it should beep. If it doesn't beep, then you have a bad horn. But yeah, I'm just gonna see. I already have this one connected. I already chopped this one off, and I'm just gonna put this one with that with the ground right there. I'm just gonna hook it up to the ground right here. So I'm just gonna take that one off, put this one on. All right. So I'll see you guys in a bit with that result. See if it works. Okay. So I finished connecting it. Connect to my ground wire. So hit it. There you go. That's all to it. Whatever you guys do not put any wires inside here, because every time you turn the steering wheel, it's just gonna wind the wire up and you're gonna have a mess. It's gonna catch it and then it's gonna just eat it up. So whatever you do, don't do that shit. Alright, so make sure you put your wires nicely through that holes where the originals were, and make sure they're nice and secure and they're not loose. Alright, like see this one, I just ran it through the side. So yeah, it's just be careful, and yeah, that's it. Put it back together. We're done. Guess I'll film it putting it back together. Doesn't hurt anybody. All right, so I'm gonna have the screws. I have them right here. So put your screws up. Telling you guys, old trucks, you just have to be on top of everything, because you know if it's not one thing, it's another thing going on them. But I mean, they're the money makers, right? So let me get the right tip on my screwdriver. Let's see, where is it at? Phillips point. So just tighten it up. Look, butterfingers. Like my jefe used to say, vales madre, güey. Every time I help in the shop, it has some shit telling me. I guess that's almost every parent, I'm pretty sure. It's in all cultures. Okay, so finish putting the last screw on that one. And then, let's see, put the molding. So just go just like this. Press it. Okay. Then you have the other molding on the other side. It's just like this. Press it. There you go. And we have this thing right here. Make sure those bottom ones lined up like that. I do need to get myself another steering wheel. Probably I'll tell Mama, see if she wants to get me one. Have to run it through her first. I can't just be purchasing shit, you know. Way too many fights, too many deaths. She always brings shit back, right? And then we just have one more piece to go. This thing, the top shelf. So let's line it up. Okay, line it up. There you go. Clicks are always good, except when it sounds like braking. So these ones are a different tip. So let me switch my screwdriver again in a second. Look at the neighbor for a while. Okay, so we got one in. There's one. Oh, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. And there you go. And that's it. Looks like new. See? Toggle switch for my horn. And that's it. I'll see you guys for the next time.